Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are in a W210 wagon, and as many people have known that these vents, due to the sunroof, have been broken, they've become brittle, so people want to go ahead and replace them. Unfortunately, the pieces that are out there to replace are obsolete. Mercedes dealership, I called two of them. They do not have it. I even asked them to outsource to another dealership even in another state, and they do not have it. I don't understand. So I was very fortunate to find this one on eBay. This piece here, okay, this was $40. I've done my research, and according to what I have seen, there is not many installation guides to help you. There was one forum I saw. They said, this thing will come in two pieces. They will be separated, and you would put one on top. And you would open the sunroof, right? And then you would place one on top and one on the bottom, and they would snap in place like a sandwich. Well, this is only one piece. I looked at it very well. Everything's, one piece molded. So this is what I did, because you have to understand these things are almost 25, 30 years old. This is 1998. So what I'm going to do here, okay? I know many people are like, oh my God, you're doing it wrong. You don't know what you're doing. Shut the fuck up. Okay, but I'm sorry about that language. But so what I have to do here, okay? Do you see how there's a piece here and a piece on this side? So what I'm going to do, let's see. I need to be smart. I'm going to cut. I'm gonna cut this side here, okay? I'm gonna cut this lip off, because when you try to. All right. So we have better lighting here now, okay? Now here's the thing. If you're gonna break one side, well, first of all, you have to understand. Let me put this light here again so you guys have better visualization, okay? Now look, obviously when the sunroof is open, you want the air to come in. So that means I'm gonna have it. You see the vent? The vent's going backwards. So the way that when the air's flowing, whoosh, 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 right? The air will enter through here and push the air back. So that's why it's gonna go up like that. That's why you see the vertical lines, or the horizontal lines, allowing to vent towards the back of the car. Okay? Now, according to my calculations, if you're looking at both sides, this side and this side, there is a lip, okay? This side the lip is not it's not there too much because of the fabric. Now on this side, we have a bigger lip. So this is the side I want to apply the glue to, so that way it will adhere. I found it. This is the tool right here. This is what I use, okay? See this? What I did is I trimmed this just a tiny bit, okay, as you can see. That way it will fit. The other one fit perfectly like a glove. My goodness, I'm such a genius. The second you try to be slick and you try to bend this in and try to maneuver in there, you're gonna crack this, because this is very old. Do not be crazy, okay? Now look at this here. Paid $600 for this car, so I do not care if this. You are a purist and you should not be doing. Shut up. All right, but yes, it now fits perfectly. You want to see the other one? Do you want to see the other one? I'll show you right now. Look, tingnan mo ha. Look at this. Look at this. Look how perfect. Hold on, I turn on the light for you because you cannot see. Oh my God, that's bright. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how clean it is. It's clean, and it's in there. It's all the way in there. My God, it's such a perfect fit. Look. Oh my God. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Wow. Let me install the other one while you go start looking for some of these on eBay, little baby. Well. What do we have here? What do we have here? Okay? Look. This is just some stains right here because somebody left the roof open. But look at this. Let me get out of here for you. Oh, that's too far. Look how beautiful that is now. Life is complete. Life is complete. Just like this here. You will never find one with a working one. Look at this, huh? You're not ready. You are not ready, my friends, okay? Well, I hope you learned something today. Don't be afraid to dream that stuff, the events, and make your W210 or S210. I'm so sorry, S210 look beautiful again. Until next time, my Mercedes people. Salamat!